Habaibongjun Metal Products Company, Limited specializes in high-quality wrought iron solutions. With years of expertise, we offer a wide range of products, including fences, gates, railings, and balconies, designed to enhance both security and aesthetics. Our advantages include premium materials. We use top-grade iron for durable, long-lasting products. Custom designs, tailored solutions to match your unique style and needs. Competitive pricing, affordable options without compromising quality. Expert craftsmanship, skilled artisans ensure precision and elegance in every piece. Whether for residential or commercial projects, our wrought iron products combine functionality with timeless beauty. Trust us to deliver reliable, stylish solutions that stand the test of time. Contact us today to explore our collection.